In this thrilling adventure, the barnyard and the wild meet head-to-head in the ultimate showdown. Imagine a vast sandbox where farm animals and jungle creatures are set to clash in a series of challenges, testing their strength, agility, and wits. On one side, you have the hardworking farm animals, powerful bulls, cunning goats, swift horses, and clever chickens. On the other side, towering over the competition,
goats are known for their curious nature. They are highly intelligent animals and are capable of learning tasks, solving problems, and even navigating complex environments. They can be trained to follow commands, walk on a leash, and perform tricks. Cats were domesticated about 9,000 years ago, likely in the Near East, where they helped protect food supplies by hunting rodents. A cat's whiskers are highly sensitive and help them navigate their surroundings, detect objects, and measure spaces.
hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces relative to their size, enabling them to crush bones with ease. Spotted hyenas live in clans led by a dominant female matriarch. Clans can consist of up to 80 individuals.
Cows are widely known for producing milk, which is a major source of dairy products like cheese, butter, and yogurt. A single dairy cow can produce between 6 to 7 gallons of milk per day, depending on the breed and care. Cows are herbivores and have a unique digestive system with 4 stomach chambers. Zebras are social animals that live in groups called harems or herds. A typical harem consists of one male and several females with their young. Herds can include up to 20 individuals, but larger groups may form for protection against predators. Zebras are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and shrubs.
Moose are primarily found in northern forests of North America, Europe, and Asia. They prefer cold, temperate climates and are most common in Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, and Russia.
Geese are well known for their long-distance migrations. They typically fly south for the winter and return north for the summer, traveling thousands of miles. Some species, like the Canada goose, migrate between North America and Central or South America. Hippopotamuses live in rivers, lakes, and swamps, where they spend most of their time submerged in water. This helps them stay cool under the hot African sun, as their bodies can overheat quickly in the heat. Hippopotamuses are herbivores, and they primarily graze on grasses. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, usually around 20 to 30 seconds. This incredible speed allows them to catch prey in open grasslands. Tigers are the largest of the big cats. The tiger's scientific name is Panthera tigris. It belongs to the big cat family, Felidae, and is the largest species in this family. Adult male tigers can weigh between 400 to 675 pounds, 180 to 306 kilograms. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, fruits, and flowers from trees. They prefer acacia trees but will also eat from other tree species. Their long necks allow them to reach leaves high above the ground, which other herbivores can't access. Sheep were domesticated around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East, likely from wild mouflon sheep. They have been an important source of food, clothing, wool, and labor for humans ever since. Sheep are known for their wool, which is used to make clothing, blankets, and textiles. Horses were domesticated over 5,000 years ago, originally in the steppes of Central Asia. They were used for transportation, farming, and as companions. Horses communicate through body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, snorts, and ear positions.
Dogs were domesticated around 15,000 to 40,000 years ago. They are believed to have evolved from wolves, with early humans selectively breeding them for traits such as companionship, herding, and hunting. Dogs are highly attuned to human emotions. They can read facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice to gauge how their owners are feeling.
Sheep are very social animals and prefer to live in flocks. They form close bonds with each other and often stick together for protection. Flocking behavior is a defense mechanism against predators, as they can better spot threats when gathered. Sheep were domesticated around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East, likely from wild mouflon sheep. They have been an important source of food, clothing, wool, and labor for humans ever since.
Lions are known for their powerful roars, which can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away. The roar is a form of communication that can mark territory or signal strength. Lions are the largest of the African big cats, with males weighing between 330 and 550 pounds, 150 to 250 kilograms, while females are smaller, weighing between 260 and 400 pounds, 120 to 180 kilograms. Are the jungle giants, mighty lions, stealthy tigers, wild elephants, and agile monkeys. Will the farm animals experience in a controlled environment outshine the wild unpredictability of the jungle creatures?